Now let's start the discussion of questions related to vocabulary portion. First question is, use prefixes to find the opposite of these verbs and then use them in sentences. Prefixes क्या होते हैं? जो word के शुरू में लगते हैं. जैसे कि wrap के पहले अगर हम un लगा दे, unwrap, तो वो wrap का opposite हो जाएगा. So first one is wrap. Its opposite is unwrap. And sentence होगा इसका, don't unwrap your present until your birthday. Second is use. Its opposite is misuse. Misuse of the equipment could endanger the lives of staff and students. Third is agree. Its opposite is disagree. Do you honestly think the kids don't know that you disagree about it? Fourth one is engage. Its opposite is disengage. As the enemy retreated, we were ordered to disengage. Fifth one is behave. Its opposite is misbehave. Sentences, children often misbehave when they are deprived of adult attention. Sixth one is understand. Its opposite is misunderstand. Sentences, don't misunderstand me. I'm not criticizing your decision. Seventh is fold. Its opposite is unfold. Sentences, God created the universe so that the events would unfold in this exact manner. Eighth one is spell. Its opposite is misspell. Sorry, I misspelled your last name. Ninth is connect. Its opposite is disconnect. The alarm system had been disconnected. 10th is close. Its opposite is disclose. I can't disclose the information yet. So we are done with the discussion of first question related to vocabulary section. Now let's discuss second question, which is related to vocabulary section only. So in this question, what we have to do is we have to put the words in brackets in the appropriate form. We can use prefixes or suffixes to fill in the blanks. Prefixes word के शुरू में आते हैं और suffixes word के end पे आते हैं. So first one is, he was acting in a very dash way और हमारे पास bracket में word है child. तो इसके साथ suffix ish लगेगा, childish. Second is, she looked dash, she started to cry. Happy है हमारे पास तो इसका हो जाएगा unhappy. Third is, he passed his exams, he was successful for the second time. Fourth is, the team that he supported was able to win the dash. The word is champion, so हो जाएगा championship. Fifth is, I couldn't find any dash in his theory, and we have word weak, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा weakness. Sixth is, he wants to be a dash when he grows up, and we have word mathematics, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा mathematician. Seventh word is, there were only a dash of people at the match, and we have word hand, handful of people, यानी कि कम लोग थे. Eighth word is, the road was too narrow so they had to dash it, and we have word wide, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा widen. Ninth one is, I think that you should dash your decision. It may not be the best thing to do, and we have word consider, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा reconsider. 10th one is, you need a dash of motivation, organization, and hard work to realize your dreams, and we have word combine, so इसके लिए आ जाएगा combination. So we are done with the discussion of vocabulary portion. Thank you.